episode of Mom's Bush Kitchen. I am your host, John, and this is my mom, Carolyn. Hi. Today, we are making dessert apple pie. Mom, what ingredients are we using?
Okay, first of all, I started off with the Cosmic Crisp apple. I just found that apple in the grocery store and absolutely love it. It's crispy, sweet, and it holds up to dehydrating well. And so we're gonna start off with a half a cup of dehydrated apple pieces. The same volume of breadcrumbs. I do my own breadcrumbs with gluten-free bread. I use Swerve instead of sugar, because you know I'm really...
Yeah, Mom likes to eat healthy. You can, of course, use sugar.
And then I have a quarter of a teaspoon of cinnamon. You can put a little nutmeg in here. As it reconstitutes, I'll put a little teaspoon of ghee in there, just to make it a little bit richer. This does not have to be...
Holy cow, that's so many breadcrumbs.
Well, is
I
it
like
too
a
many?
good crust. Nope. So we're doing our crust cold, and the rest of it warm?
Yeah.
Now, what would happen if I threw the breadcrumbs in there with it? They would just kind of
Yeah, it'd be all mushy.
Yeah. As always, don't forget to get your separate bags, one that'll hold boiling water. Mom really wants to make sure you pack well, so here's how you would
It's gotta be organized.
Mom
Come
likes
on.
to organize, so
You
see how she packs it, okay? You got your nice one bag here with all your apple ingredients, and then your breadcrumbs go in there, and then when you're on the trail, it's so nice. It's like Mom packed me a lunch. Look at it. All right, let's reconstitute this and see how it tastes.
Okay.
Okay, we have rehydrated our apple mixture, and I gotta tell you, a lot of discussion has gone down since. First of all, I was under the impression that these are dehydrated and you'd have to reheat them. They're not, they just come with you as an extra topping, and that's pretty much it. This is your crust.
It's the crust.
And this is breadcrumbs. And Mom is debating if this is the best crust for your trail meal. So I thought, why not? Let's just have a taste test with this. So we have pulled out panko crumbs and lady fingers. Mom, what are lady fingers?
So lady fingers are a very, very, very low fat, almost no fat cake. I've dehydrated them. Another cake that dehydrates really well is angel food cake, again, because it's essentially no fat.
Breadcrumbs. Bam. Oh,
See,
that looks delicious.
see what I mean by that juice?
Now, would you mix this up?
Just a little, not
All
too
right.
much.
We're gonna start with the breadcrumbs, I think. That's good. I mean, the apple's content is really good. It's an interesting crust, though. You know what? I'm already
crispy.
You know what it is? It's really fine. Those breadcrumbs are really fine. I almost want like more heft. Now, why do you like panko? You were like, I think panko's gonna be the winner.
Panko's really crunchy. I like that texture. Do you?
I want to complain about either one. Honestly, I still think it's. I'm with the breadcrumbs so far over the panko.
Good.
Okay, now here is the lady fingers.
Bomb,
Yeah.
drop the mic. Holy moly.
Yeah, I love the chunks. Like the chunk of like, that's an actual apple pie crust.
I would reduce the
It is
sugar though, wouldn't you?
It is sweet. So you need to make the apple pie,
A little bit less sweet.
a little less.
Instead of 2 tablespoons, just maybe put in 1.
Perfect amount of sweetness on these two, but it is a little sweet with this one, but the texture is bomb. So there you have it, folks. Apple pie, choose your own crust. Hey, for more recipes, check out these videos right here. And YouTube thinks you'll like this one. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more of Mom's Bush Kitchen. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.